Good afternoon, Pop Pops Bees and Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. All of our pieces that are complete so far. One of the boxes put together. 8 frame, that's a 10 frame there. Mr. Lucas is doing the last step on our, these are short sides, in other words, with cold boards because they had knots in them or whatever. That's a good looking board. So right now, we're cutting frame rests. We don't have a machine for that. So that box has already been box jointed, cut the length, finished, handle cut in it. And the last step is he's cutting the frame rests. Good looking box. Pop Pops Bees. Funny, hey, I get handed the box, the top to set down because I come in here and bothered him, I guess. Well, everybody's got to do their part, right? Pop Pops Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe. Check us out online, funnybugbees.com. Y'all have a good day.